Welcome to English online class. Today topic grammar. So title direct indirect speech. So we will learn through grammar way the title direct and indirect speech. So what is meant by direct speech? When we want to describe what someone said, one option to use direct speech. We use direct speech when we simply repeat what someone says, putting the phrase between speech mark. So without speech mark, that is called indirect speech. There is available for speech mark. There is watch for the speech mark. That is called direct speech. So next, what is meant by indirect speech? When we want to the report what someone said without speech marks and without necessary using exactly the same words, we can use indirect speech. So now see the sentence. He said, I am playing. So he said, I am playing. So see the pronoun, how to change direct to indirect. So he said, add conjunctions that the pronoun also change he. So the first pronouns, see the first pronouns, give the preference for caps letter. The same pronoun here, but the pronoun first letter is small. So using the second time, so this type of change here. So he said that the changes was I am playing. So here using past was playing. Next, she said I am painting. See the sentences. She said, remove the commas and apostrophes and then add conjunctions, change the pronouns. She was painting. So next, he said, I did this exercise last night. So indirect, he said, conjunction, pronoun change, past. That means here also the past, but this is past perfect. So had done that exercise the previous night. So see the last night change here, the previous night. So what are the changes? So we see the sentences. What are the changes? Must watch. The inspector said, comma, double quotation, I am glad to be with you today. So the inspector said that he was glad to be with me that day. So today change here, that day. You change here, me. The present change past. Pronoun also change. So what are the changes? You watch carefully. So next, what changes did you notice? So changes the must, omission of commas, use of that, change of pronoun, omission of commas, use of that, change of pronoun. Okay. Next, a speaker's word can be reported in two ways. A speaker's word can be reported in two ways. So direct speech, exact words of speaker. The teacher said to Rajesh, you have a bright future. So change to indirect, what the speaker has said without using the exact word. So the teacher told Rajesh, add conjunction, change pronoun, change the verb, had a bright future. Next, change of tenses. If the reporting verb in the direct speech, the statement is the present tense or future tense, then it remains same in indirect speech too. That means no change in tense. So my friends say he is very handsome. My friends say he is very handsome. My friends say that he is very handsome. So here only one add conjunction. Okay. Next, my granny will say you need to eat well. My granny will say that you need to eat well. So only add conjunction. So when the changes, there is only no change of type. See the changes. That type of sentences only we add conjunctions. So next, if the reporting verb is in the past tense, in the direct speech statement, then the verbs within the inverted commas will undergo corresponding changes in the indirect speech statements. So now simple present becomes simple past. So the girl said the flower is pretty. The girl said the flower is pretty. The girl said that the flower was pretty. So simply changes. So see carefully. Present become past. Okay. The present verb is become past. So the girl said, add only conjunction, then verb present become past. So is become was. The girl said that the flower was pretty. Present continuous becomes past continuous. The old man said the rain is falling very heavily. The old man said that the rain was falling very heavily. The old man said that the rain was falling heavily. So is become was, add conjunction. Okay. Next. So what are the tenses? How to change here? Present perfect. See the example. The principal said all the students have paused. So the present perfect, what are the changes to past perfect? The principal said that all the students had paused. So have become had. Okay. So the present become past. Present perfect become past perfect. So have become had. Next, simple past become past perfect. So Rohan said Sheetal arrived yesterday. So Rohan said that Sheeta had arrived the previous day. So yesterday, that word here, the previous day. Okay. Next, the simple past tense become past perfect. So arrived here change had arrived. Okay. Next, models change into their past forms. How to change models their past forms? Example, he said she can dance. He said she can dance. Here, he said that she could dance. He said that she could dance. Next, personal pronouns. So personal pronouns according to follow the Sun formula. So Sun formula means S for subject, O for object, N for no change. So the subject is referred to first person, object is referred to second person, no change is referred to third person. So if subject to the quoted verse is in the first person, then it will change according to the subject of the reported verb. So example, he said to me, he said to me, I like coffee. So here the first person, he said to me, comma, double quotation, I like coffee. So I also the first person, the change. He told that, said to become told, add conjunction, change the pronoun, and then you use the verb past tense. So coffee. So he told that he liked coffee. So next, second person, that means object. If subject, the quoted words is in second person, then it will change according to the subject at the same time object of reporting verb. Example, he said to me, comma, double quotation, you look happy. So full stop. So closing the quotation. So he using the second person. So he is the first person, you the second person. Before sentence, he is the first person, he become I, that is also first person. Now he is the first person. Now he said to me using the word you, that is the pronoun is you here the second person. So now how to change? He told that I looked happy. So the present tense become past, pronoun also change, add conjunction only. The said to become told. So he told that I looked happy. So next the last, no change type, third person. So if the subject of the quoted words is in the third person, then there will be no change. Example, he said to me, comma, quotations, she has already left. So close the quotation. Now he said to become told, add the conjunction, the third person pronoun. So he told that she had already left. He told that she had already left. Has become had. Okay. Next, subject first person. See the sentences. I said I want to consult my parents. The possessive pronouns also using the sentences. I said I want to consult my parents. So how to use preference to first person using the sentences. I said I want to consult my parents. I said that conjunction I want become wanted to consult my parents. You said I want to consult my parents. You said that you wanted to consult your parents. She said I want to consult my parents. She said that I became she. She wanted to consult her parents. So the possessive pronoun my became her here. So she said that she wanted to consult her parents. So object, the second person. See the sentences. Anil said to me, your parents are waiting for you. Anil said to become told me, conjunction.